Good morning, Sonia and Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. This is a beautiful house in Aberdeen, Florida. After the hurricane, the last hurricane that it came, the patio has some rust stains. I don't know if you can see it, these orange spots. Of course, the grout is dirty too. You can see it, all this orange. We already test our product. We test in this area and it came really good. We always clean this house. We remove the cobwebs and a lot of lake flies in this house, outside and inside. So the first step is vacuum the edges, vacuum and remove the cobwebs and the lake flies with our truck bag. Sonia is gonna do that right now. She's spraying or spreading the cleaning product that will remove the rust, iron out. We prefer to spread in that way using a flat mop instead of using a pump sprayer. It's gonna be more even. Remove all the patio furniture to clean this small patio. And we already scrubbed the lines, remove the rust. We are rinsing right now and absorbing all the product from the floor. We are gonna wait dry and then seal. Neutralize and rinse. We mat one more time to make it even, and we are waiting to dry. It looks good without those spots of rust. Before sealing, we are gonna clean the windows inside, and then Sonia's gonna seal. Usually the sealer that we use is super sealer, is water based. This sealer is solvent sealer. It smells strong, but I finished all my super sealer, so I went to Lowe's to buy this one. And besides that, this patio, because it's in front of the lake, needs more impregnator. And this is not a regular sealer, it's an impregnator sealer by Miracle Sealant. It's a really good sealant. A small package, cover 500 square feet. We are talking this area 100 square feet, something like that. So Sonia is gonna do the lines. Now she is sealing the tile and grout floor. She already put line by one all the grout lines, and also she spread 2 lines. I don't know if you can see right there and right there. And she's mopping evenly to penetrate the sealer into the tile and the grout. Because it's a solvent sealer, solvent based sealer, the odor is strong, but thanks God that we are outside. This is one of the reasons that I always use water based super sealer by Sagers inside the house. So easy to use and it's effective and good quality. You need to map evenly in one direction. Make sure that all the grout had the sealer, and nobody can stain a step on the floor. Clean and seal. Now we have to let it dry.